Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the code's current state and account. This matters because redeemed codes cannot be canceled. Open Google Play, sign into the same account, and immediately check order history under payments and subscriptions. Once you see the purchase, note the order ID, date, and payment method. You'll need those for a cancellation or refund request. Make sure the code remains unredeemed. If it's already used, cancellation shifts to dispute and recovery steps. Next, you initiate the cancellation or refund. From order history, tap the purchase, choose Get Help or Report a Problem, then pick a reason like accidental purchase. Clearly state you want the recharge code canceled and include the order ID and proof. If the code came from a third-party retailer, contact the vendor with the receipt and code status first. Make sure to keep screenshots. If Google processes the refund, expect email confirmation and a timeline for the return. Finally, you follow up until the cancellation completes. After submitting the request, watch your email and Google Play balance for 48 to 72 hours. Refunds may take that long. If your request is denied, escalate using Google Support Chat and supply screenshots, order ID, and payment proof. This speeds resolution. For retailer purchases, get a written denial or reversal receipt if they refuse. That documentation helps you dispute the charge with your payment provider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.